my last video, I was talking about the DX2 smartwatch. Now we're going to move on to the next level. The next level is we're going to connect your smartwatch into your computer, and we're going to browse your apps and games, install them to your smartwatch. And while we're doing everything, I'll teach you how to remove the smartwatch. So remove your games if you lost too much memory, used too much memory, or you didn't like one game. And this is a very important step. So if you want, you have to have one of your parents, and so you can get ready. Let's start it. So you need a learning lodge for this, and we just connected our smartwatch to my computer, my dad's computer, DX2. So DX2. I got DX2. If you have a PC, download PC. If you have a Mac, if you use Mac, then download Mac. And now we're gonna get it up. You press your Windows key, then you type L, and then maybe it'll come up. Learning lodge, right here. So right when it comes up, right screen. Okay, I wanted to close screen. Now you need an account for this. Your mom and dad has to do this actually. Then that's your account. It'll show your account. That's your account. My account is root. Okay, wait. Okay, then you'll see download center. Go to download center. Loading. Then you'll see like a lot of games. At the beginning, you will see 6 page. You'll see 6 page. This is how much you will see at the first time. If you want to change it more, you will see this thing. It's like 12. You could make it into 12. 12 is pretty good. And there's 24. 36 is the most. Now you just pick a game. I picked this game. Add the cart. Okay. Let's check. And then you could go back, and then go to download cart. Then you want to check it out. Let's check out. Let's check our game out. Now it's called Crazy Catcher. Now you don't press back to store, then just proceed with order. Press that. Then account password again. Okay, continue. And then you press the I agree to the terms above and would like to proceed. Okay. Then you press that check mark. Then do not press cancel if you want to, if you could. And confirm. Then it's $0. Crazy Catcher, download now. It's downloading. So these are the games are in your smartwatch, and these are the games what are downloading now actually, that are on your laptop. So we're at this part now. The Crazy Catcher is already involved into my smartwatch, but now it'll show you so much how much memory you have, and it'll show one of a game will be like 2 or 17 megabytes. So I'm gonna download this game, so I'm just gonna check mark that and transfer. Your new item has been transferred successfully. Can you can now disconnect the Kitty Zoom Smartwatch DX2. Okay. Okay. So that's it, everyone. So we've seen how to connect your smartwatch to your computer, and we installed our games to our smartwatch. Now we're gonna see how to use them, and we're gonna see how to get rid of them if you use too much memory, you don't like one of the games. Let's see our games and apps. So where it is, it's in the download folder. That is right here. And you have a lot of games. That's what I downloaded. Data. Then you go all the way to the end. Then you will find this thing called Download Manager. You go into that. And if you want to download one, like undownload and remove one of your games, then you could just take them out. And you could go delete this download. No, I don't want to delete. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite apps. Tic-tac-toe. I'm X. I lose. Let's go to next favorite app. Oh, for this, it's spooky camera effects. I'll show you my picture what I took. Just now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something from this video. And this video is not just about the DX2 smartwatches. And if you haven't started using computers, you could, maybe this is the time you can learn about computers. And please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe so there's more videos in the future. And that's it, everyone.